Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Hakaniga Shillong Literary Festival kabla long hanan palok kiladan bon tlik stall ki bede ye ki Jingdih ba pher kum ki jingbo jingsat ki tiar ba tha dagakti bat ki weipan ki stall ki ba kham khring bha ye ki pat ba ki bowan hakaniga tamasa ki di stall bede wan ya ka bala wanra bon ki jaj wan ba pher ki blashna da ki so ki ba mi nagani hi ka jalla na pedeng ki ba bon ki stall ka danru ka stall bede ye ki Jingdih kabla ai kerteng kum ka Cherrapunji jen Kiba bon kinang mudur bakani ka Cherrapunji jen kedai ke blashna hasora namar bagadan ya ka kerteng Cherrapunji rekam dei satya kumta lai kerteng ya ka kum ka Cherrapunji jen de namar balashna ya ka dak slab bagadan ya ka karkhana ha yam kedai ru ka kinjak yar ka Nyngkong nari India ban Shalan Shabar bakani ka Jingdih ka ya yobha Netherlands.
So this is a 2-year-old company. We are based out of Meghalaya Northeast. Our distillery is in Umiam, in Barapani. We believe in sustainability with the kind of carbon footprint that most of the things are leaving in this era. So our conscious effort was on sustainability. That's why we use stainless steel 304 bottles for packaging. We harvest rainwater, which we purify and then use it to make the gin. Botanicals are 90% all native to Northeast. We have the Khasi Mandarin from Meghalaya. We have the Kazi Nimu from Assam. We have the smoked tea from Manipur. We have the black pepper from Garo Hills. We have been in Literary Festival. This is our second year. We totally love the vibe. People are enjoying what they are seeing. And the recipe for this gin was made in the Netherlands by a master distiller, master of master distillers, along with our master distiller Mayur Kazariga, who's the CEO founder. And the response has been great. It's been overwhelming the way people have accepted the gin, and it's the first craft gin to come out of the eastern sector. So we are very proud of that. And my association with Northeast has been since 2002. So it makes me happy to be here and doing something within the state. It's everywhere. It's in all the markets in Meghalaya, in Assam, wine shops, in bars, restaurants in Meghalaya, in Assam, in Arunachal. Again, a very proud moment for us was that we are the first company from the eastern sector to export our gin to Netherlands, and we are also available in duty free at Delhi and Mumbai. Dubai, Bangalore and Ahmedabad are coming up very soon. We are also opening our markets to the north. Next, the registration processes are going on. So that's what we are doing. No, so I'll tell you what, the whole idea behind this gin was sustainability. That was the main factor. So what dawned upon us is that most of the alcohol rather, is made with DM water, which is demineralized water. And what is the most natural DM water is rain. Of course, until it penetrates the atmosphere, and then there are a few things that do get contaminated, but then we purify it. So that is where we came with the idea of using rainwater. And we were lucky that we are in a part which is the rainiest place on earth, which from our childhood we have heard in our books that the rainiest place on earth is Cherrapunji. So that's from where it all came up, the whole idea. We have a rainwater harvesting facility in Moisanram. We have one in Umiam. We have another one coming up in Cherrapunji. So that's the whole idea behind the name Cherrapunji Eastern Craft Gin.